Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make zucchini soup. First, you'll want to gather your fresh ingredients. About 2 pounds of zucchini, 1 onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and 4 cups of vegetable or chicken broth. Begin by dicing your onion and garlic, then sauté them in a large pot with a tablespoon of olive oil until they are fragrant and tender. Next, add your sliced zucchini and cook for about 5 to 7 minutes until it starts to soften slightly. Once your zucchini is slightly softened, pour in the 4 cups of vegetable or chicken broth, ensuring all the vegetables are submerged. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for 15 to 20 minutes, or until all the vegetables are very tender. Carefully transfer the soup to a blender, or use an immersion blender directly in the pot, and blend until it achieves a perfectly smooth and creamy consistency. Now it's time to season your delicious zucchini soup. Add salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste, along with any fresh herbs you enjoy, like basil or parsley. For an extra layer of richness, stir in a 1/4 cup of heavy cream or coconut milk if you prefer a dairy-free option. Serve your soup warm, garnished with some crunchy croutons, a sprinkle of fresh dill, or a beautiful swirl of olive oil. To elevate your zucchini soup, consider roasting the zucchini before adding it to the pot. This brings out a deeper, more complex flavor. You can also experiment with different spices, like a teaspoon of cumin or a 1/2 teaspoon of curry powder, for an exciting twist. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade, comforting bowl of zucchini soup.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.